Hello guys, I'm Max and today I will tell you about the difference between hybrid, plug-in hybrid and electrical cars. Let's go. In simple terms, a hybrid vehicle, also known as self-charging hybrid, boasts a small battery and electrical motor to boost efficiently. It requires a petrol or diesel engine is a primary means of propulsion, but a mile or so of pure electrical range should be achievable in the city. A plug-in hybrid goes a step further. It turns a petrol or diesel engine but large battery and delivers up to 50 miles of electrical range depending on the model. The battery can recharge it using a home charge point or by taking advantage of the expanding public charging network. You could see plug-in hybrid as a stepping stone towards fully electrical vehicle because you are able to do some driving on electrical power, but you still have the safety net of an internet combustion engine to back you up. Finally, an electrical car, also known as battery electric vehicle (BEV) or electric vehicle (EV), relies entirely on a battery pack as its means of propulsion. It must be plugged in when the battery is low on choice. Remember this rule: a hybrid you cannot plug in. In a plug-in hybrid you should plug in, and in electrical car you must plug in. Now about hybrid cars. The Toyota Prius is arguably the most famous hybrid car on the planet. Launched in 1997, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle has become the brand generic for green motoring, loved by everyone from greenwashed celebrities to Uber drivers. A hybrid car pairs an electrical motor with a petrol or diesel engine. It means that the driver has across the three forms of propulsion, by the engine, pure electrical or both. When used correctly, a hybrid should be efficiently and economical as an equivalent diesel car. You may have seen cars advertised as mild hybrids. These aren't electric vehicles in the practical sense. Many owners will be unaware that they driving a mild hybrid car, a small battery pack with an integrated starter generator or disintegrated or improve efficiently and deliver a smooth boost in assembly. But a mild hybrid can never be run of electrical power. Hybrid car pros and cons. Now let's start from pros. Familiarly is a key benefit of running hybrid car. From behind the wheel you should notice much difference or have to worry about recharging in the battery. Efficiency. The electric motor is to improve fuel economy and overall efficiency, as well as delivering 1 or 2 miles of electrical range. A hybrid will be more efficiently than a petrol car and more economical than a diesel in town. A hybrid system will recharge its battery in 1 or 2 ways: by using the internet combusting energy and through regenerative braking, energy that would have been lost under braking or when lifting of the accelerator pedal is diverted to the battery to power the electrical motor. This makes a hybrid ideal for stop-start traffic. Tax. There are also tax benefits associated with the hybrid cars. Lower CO2 emission mean lower VED, vehicle excise duty, in the first year. Pulls an annual saving of €10 per year. Company car tax, while not as low as the rate for pure electric, the plug-in hybrid vehicles will be lower than equivalent petrol or diesel car. Towing. It's also worth noting the hybrid cars are currently the best choice for anyone looking for electrical car for the towing, the maximum towing capacity might be significantly less than in equivalent petrol or diesel car, but it's likely to be significant more than its per electric vehicle. Indeed, many electrical cars have been granted type approval for towing. Now about costs. Cost is not a good news. Hybrid tend to be more expensive by than a petrol or diesel car, so monthly payment will be higher. There are also less examples than a diesel car of motorways, so a company car driver could see the tax saving wipe it off by higher fuel bills. Range. Another factor working against hybrid cars is they have very limited electrical range. Ban. The sale of new hybrid cars is to end in 2035, which might limit their appeal. This could be brought forward to 2013 alongside the sale for new petrol and diesel car ban. And hybrid will be the target of further exclusion from clean air zones as the government aims to go carbon neutral by 2050. Plug-in hybrid cars. A plug-in hybrid vehicle, commonly referred to as PHEV, uses batteries to power an electrical motor or motors, and other petrol or diesel to power an engine. As a name suggests, the battery pack in the plug-in hybrid can be recharged at home or via the public charging network. So now new connect plug-in hybrids have grown in popularity over the last decades or so, with the Outlander PHEV becoming the UK's best-selling models. Thanks to large battery pack, a plug-in hybrid will travel further than hybrid or electrical power. Typical plug-in hybrid car should deliver 13 miles of electrical range, but up to 15 miles is possible in some models. An example in the BMW X5 X Drive 45e, which offers a climate 54 miles of range. Plug-in hybrid cars, pros and cons. Some views plug-in hybrid as convenient house between a conversational car and an electrical vehicle, while others see them as a compromise. Pros. Backup engine. For now, the petrol or diesel engine should provide electrical septics with some resources and benching any lingering range exactly conquers. When the battery has run out, the car switches to the petrol or diesel engine which is refueled like a conventional car. Lower running cost. Aside from the need to plug them in drive, a plug-in hybrid should be easy as regular car. The combination of electrical and petrol and diesel power develops improved performance without the high run cost of the fast petrol car. It's a small thing, but there are no concern of if you don't have access to the charging point. Simply use the engine until you get home or find the charging station. And about conclusion, should you buy a hybrid and electrical car? It all depends on your choice. So doing some homework it easily. A hybrid is sensible alternative to a petrol or diesel car, especially for short trip and urban commutes. A plug-in hybrid is excellent stepping stone to pure electrical car, but you must remember to plug it in. When advances technology and new legislation will quickly reduce any correct disadvantages. A section with electrical cars is the common cars. Buy an electrical car now and you will be ahead of curve will come in 2013 ban of the sale of new petrol and diesel cars. Okay guys, it's all on today. See you next video. Bye.